हे गाइस, वेलकम टू यूट्यूब चैनल जॉबिस्ट। तो आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा 100 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑन जियोग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया, जो कि हर बार कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं। ओके, तो आपको वीडियो अगर अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिएगा, शेयर करिएगा, और अगर आप न्यू है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करिए ताकि जब भी हम लोग वीडियो अपलोड करें आपको नोटिफिकेशन मिल जाए। सो गाइस, ये हमारा पार्ट 2 है जियोग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया के ऊपर। ओके, सो पार्ट 1 में आपको 50 क्वेश्चन मिला और पार्ट 2 में 50 क्वेश्चन होगा। ओके, तो टोटल दोनों मिला के टोटल हुआ 100 क्वेश्चन। अगर आपको और क्वेश्चन चाहिए इससे जियोग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया के रिलेटेड तो आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं, मैं और वीडियो ले आऊँगा इस टॉपिक के ऊपर, जियोग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया के ऊपर। ओके, तो चलिए पढ़ाई करते हैं। द हाइएस्ट वाटरफॉल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज एंजल फॉल। The deepest lake in the world is Lake Baikal. Where do you find day and night equal? At the equator. The largest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean. Kalahari Desert is in South Africa. India is connected with Europe through Suez Canal. Marble is the metamorphosed form of limestone. Which one of the following ranges forms the water divide between Narmada and Tapti river? Satpura range. The largest mountain range in the world is the Andes. The state which has the largest forest area in India is Madhya Pradesh. India's standard time is the local time of Calcutta. The state which has two major ports is Maharashtra. The highest peak in South India is Anamudi. The Switzerland of India is Kashmir. The desert that lies on the boundary between India and Pakistan is Thar Desert. Ankleshwar in Gujarat is well known for oil refinery. The country which produces coffee in abundance is Brazil. The country which stands first in wheat production is China. Tea is grown much in which Indian state? Assam. Rice is produced in West Bengal. Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Diamond mine in India are found in Madhya Pradesh. The Tiger Sanctuary in Tamil Nadu is located at Calacar. Which of the following Indian state is broadly as large as the European nation Greece? Tamil Nadu. In which state is Jogfall located? Karnataka. Which one of the following hydroelectric project does not belong to Tamil Nadu? Idukki. The largest irrigated area in India is occupied by rice. Which state is not one of major producer of bananas? Bihar. For national highway, the maximum speed in mountainous terrain is 80 km per hour. The most densely populated state in India is Bihar. The world largest island is Greenland. Which one of the following state is the largest producer of black pepper in India? Karnataka. Which one of the following is a cash crop? Rubber. Which metal is most abundant in the earth crust? Aluminium. Molten rocks below the surface of the earth is called magma. Which of the following is a chemical weathering process? Oxidation. Which one of the following Indian state is the largest producer of natural rubber? Kerala. There is rainfall in winter in Tamil Nadu due to the following reason. Northeast monsoon. Mahanadi river originates in which among the following state of India? Chhattisgarh. The driest part of India is Western Rajasthan. The Indian Rice Research Institute is located at Kutuk. What is the India rank in the world in milk production? First. In which state is Bodo language is primarily spoken? Assam. Who was the first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal. Which state is called the Tiger State of India? Madhya Pradesh. The solar radiation comes to Earth is called isolation. The highest grade and best quality coal is anthracite. Titan is satellite of Saturn. What is the shape of Earth orbit around the Sun? Elliptical. The longest river in Asia is रिवर यांगतेज. सो गाइस ये आपका इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, 100 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन था पार्ट 1 पार्ट 2 में जियोग्राफी ऑफ इंडिया के ऊपर. तो अगर आपको अब इसे नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं अपने कॉपी में, ओके. और आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल जॉब बेस्ड. थैंक यू.